Frito-Lay Fun Times Mix Variety Pack. This Frito-Lay Fun Times Mix Variety Pack is truly a crowd pleaser. As a product marketing expert with over 10 years of experience, I can confidently say that this product delivers on its promise of providing a variety of delicious snacks that will satisfy everyone's cravings. With no introductions needed, let's jump straight into the details. Let's start with the product dimensions, which measure 7.6 x 13.7 x 17.5 inches, making this pack compact and easy to store. Weighing in at 2.38 pounds, it is lightweight and convenient to carry around, perfect for on-the-go snacking. The item model number for this variety pack is SPPPOA040137. It showcases the manufacturer's attention to detail and commitment to quality. Speaking of the manufacturer, Frito-Lay, Retail Selection, is a well-known and reputable brand in the food industry, ensuring that the product meets high standards.